the theater of everyday life. Each of us plays a role. We've been playing them since the very beginning, from our childhood. We smile, we cry. Sometimes we do not control our emotions. But as children, we are authentic, because children do not lie and cheat. And this is what our green theater should be. It should pass our emotions, fears, but also proposals for solutions to the problems our planet is facing. Let's play our roles in such a way as not to harm, but to help the earth. Let's think, speak, and act in a green way to pass on the best of what we have to future generations, our planet. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our green theater. Once upon a time, it was a beautiful day. The sun was shining, the light wind was softly blowing, and it was the perfect day to spend in nature. So teenagers decided to have a picnic in the beautiful nature of Młodzież and Poland. The friends wanted to find the best place to have their picnic, so they were searching for the perfect spot for a very long time, but it was totally worth it, because they found the picnic spot of their dreams. Without waiting for anything, they started getting ready and preparing for their evening spent outside. People started to take their goods out of their bags and started to laugh. And it seemed like they were having the best time of their lives. Anyway, to them it was fun, but not so fun for our poor Earth, since they completely trashed and polluted the place. And the worst part is that it was left the opposite of how they found it.
We have to recycle trash.
No, we don't.
No, please, stop polluting me. You know what? I'm done with that. I'm leaving.
Oh my God. We need to help the earth. As you can see, there are many people who trash our world. We came here to fix that.
Hi, I'm plastic. It took a long time to decompose. I end up in oceans and harm the marine life.
Hi, I'm Glass. I can break and cause injuries. Take a long time to break down. Hi, I'm Cycle. I produce greenhouse gas emissions. When I decompose in landfills, I contribute to deforestation, if not recycle.
What's up? I'm Metal. I pollute soil and water when I'm not in the right bin. I take a long time to break down.
Hi, I electrical waste. I contain harmful substances and I need special recycling methods.
It's important to be mindful and responsibly dispose these types of trash and be mindful of the impact it has on the earth.
But wait, I don't want to be in the same bin as them.
Me neither.
So what do we do?
Let's recycle.
Hey Emma, look. Why is there a trash bin filled with lots of different trash types?
I don't know, but it's really disappointing. People should know how to recycle.
I know, right? Maybe we should throw them out. Look, there's loads of recycling bins. We can sort them out and they could be recycled.
I think that's a great idea.
heard about the tree planting initiative that's going on at the park.
Oh yeah, let's go check it out.
Welcome to our community park. Today, we plant more than trees. We plant hope.
Look at those beautiful little trees. Imagine how big they'll grow.
And all the benefits they'll bring: a shade, fresh air, an animal, and a host animal. Plus, they'll make their park beautiful.
This one will be a mighty oak someday.
Where should we plant the first tree? I think next to the playground. The kids would enjoy the shade.
Great idea. Let's dig in.
As they dig, they plant dreams and aspirations.
Those trees will grow as big, as strong as our community.
Every drop of water nurtures our future. We are nurturing life and hope.
We are small now, but one day they will be huge.
Our effort doesn't seem as big as they will have a huge impact.
With each tree planted, we promise to care for our world, leaving it better than we found it.
Here's to our new trees and many more.
Here's the greener, brighter future.
Here's to us and the roots we plant.
And so our story begins with the simple act of planting a tree. It will be the great home for animals.
Whoa, alive!